Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool origami chicken nugget. And yep, and you can make a few of them, or a bunch. Yep, and this model was actually requested by a comment from Hotspot. Yep, and he gave me a brilliant idea. So when I taught those origami french fries in this video, he asked me to design chicken nuggets. And sure enough, here's the design. Yep, and I sculpted them in a special way to make them look like the McDonald's nuggets, which are my favorite. And yep, so here they are. And what's also cool about it is that it can spin. This is an action model. See, it spins a little bit like this. Yep, and they can be little flickers. Yep. Alright, you guys ready to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for these chicken nuggets, I used a 3-inch square of kami. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fold it from a full 6-inch square of kami. So to get 3-inch squares, you just fold this in half both ways, and then you cut them out. Okay, but I'm going to use a 6-inch square. So let's fold in half, the white side up. This is a pretty easy model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model for you. Okay, and fold in half the other way. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and catch up, or use slow mode. Okay, and I'll fold this edge to the crease. Okay, don't unfold. Rotate 90 degrees and fold this edge to the middle. Okay, and do it again. Alright, and one last time. Okay, unfold. Now here's the tricky step. So we're going to open this slot and refold on this crease. And we're just going to shove this paper inside, like this. And we're making this mountain fold, like this. Okay. That's what it looks like. Alright, and now pick any corner, and let's fold this edge to this edge. Okay, unfold and do that 3 more times. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to tuck them inside on the crease. And just to make it a little bit easier, let's just kind of reverse those creases a little bit. You can just make it light. Don't make it too strong, or else you might end up with a sharp crease on this side. You don't really want that. Just make it light enough so it's a mountain fold. Okay, now let's tuck them in. So just mountain fold them inside on the existing crease. Like that. And do that 3 more times. Okay, and now make those nice and sharp. Because this is a flicker, so we need to make sure everything's flat. And even like this is a nice flicker. See, this is actually like the Doxy flicker that Jeremy Schaefer made here. Let me fly this real quick. Oh! Alright, so if you like it like this, then you're done. But if you really want to make the chicken nuggets, then here goes. Okay. So to turn it into the chicken nuggets, take this edge and fold it to the crease. Like this. And unfold. And now, let's just kind of reverse the crease just from here to here. So just on this thick part. Like that. Okay, and now comes the kind of tricky step. So, we're going to refold this on this crease, and we're also going to tuck this point inside. Just kind of open this up here, and we're just going to shove all that paper inside. So we're just folding on that existing crease. And this is probably the most tricky step of the whole model. Yeah, just get it in there however you can. There you go. And that's what it looks like. Okay, that was a pretty tricky step, so I hope you can do that. Okay, rotate like this, and take this point and fold it up from, we're gonna fold it up from here, and we want this point to touch this edge. Alright, increase that nice and sharp. Unfold, and now let's reverse it inside, fold it inside on the existing crease. Like that. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a similar thing here. So fold this up in between the middle and this point. Carefully, don't tear the paper right there. I think I tore it a little bit right there, but that's fine. Unfold, and now fold it inside. Like that. I think that's what makes it fly a little bit better. Because remember, on flickers, you don't really want it to be a double folded edge all the way across. It's best to have single edges all the way across, all the way around. Okay, like this. And now, this is the base here, so now we're going to just kind of shape it into a nugget. So let's just kind of round it off, and this is all to taste. I'm going to start with the bulky corner. You can just fold it where it's thin right there. Alright, and use the desk and make it really sharp. And same here. This one's a little bit trickier because this is bulky all the way around. Oh god. Yeah, it's pretty thick right there. Especially if you're using printer paper or something, or any thick paper. Alright, and on this side it's a lot easier, because it's a lot thinner. Yeah, to taste. Just fold these corners into taste. Okay? And now we're just going to start sculpting it into a nugget. And this is really to taste. This is really up to you. However you want the look of your nugget. So I'm gonna make it look like a McDonald's nugget like this. See? You know how the McDonald's nuggets have this kind of point here? It kind of looks like a boot or whatever. Yeah. I think McDonald's chicken nuggets are my favorite chicken nuggets. Especially the boot-shaped ones. That's my mom's favorite too. Okay. So to do that, we're gonna make kind of like an S fold. Like a swirly fold right here. So just kind of watch me before you even start, and then I'll show you. And it originates at that point right there. Oh, and by the way, if you want, you can kind of make it a little bit more round by folding the corners into taste. This isn't necessary, this isn't required. Like this. And you can do the same thing here, but it's more challenging because it's bulky. Okay, but I'm going to undo those. I'm just going to keep it like this because it's simpler and cleaner. Alright, so see that mountain fold? So it kind of curves like that. And remember, this is to taste. This is if you want to make a McDonald's nugget. Alright, and now I'm going to make a curved fold in between here to this point to taste. Okay, like that, and now just kind of just make those folds here. And there is our McDonald's McNugget. Yep. And to make it look more like better, just you can round it off if you'd like. So yeah, there it is. And if you want it to spin on the desk here, the table, whatever, like that. Well, that's a pretty good spinner actually. Then you have to make these two creases at the same time. It can be a little bit tricky because the model is 3D. But just do it about like that, just enough so that you have a point. And now find a smooth surface. Yep, and it should spin pretty good like that. And this actually flies pretty good. This is a pretty good flicker, check this out. Okay, so to fly this model, you know the drill, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it right here, and I'm gonna flick on this part. So here goes. Oh, I didn't flick it hard enough. Remember, it's not the best flicker in the world because it's 3D. Oh, that was pretty good. Flickers fly best when they're completely flat. Oh yeah. And I want to show you this other model I designed today. So here's a model I just designed today. This is a new box I just designed, and it's triangular on the sides here. And you can open it up, and you can put your nuggets inside, like that. And it closes up just like this. And this is a pretty messy looking box, so I don't think I'll make a tutorial for this. But if you guys want me to, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys want me to make a tutorial for this, I probably will someday. But yeah. But I taught some much cleaner boxes right here in the card, or in the description. Okay? Well, hope you guys like this model, and were able to fold it. And make sure you subscribe. And let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.